Hormones, these tiny, unseen chemicals, control nearly everything in your body, from your mood to your metabolism. Yet, when they're out of balance, the science can feel confusing, frustrating, and even overwhelming. Most of us don't realize that issues like fatigue, stubborn weight, or mood swings are more than just normal problems. They're your body's way of asking for help. In this video, we'll uncover 10 key signs that your hormones might be out of balance and, more importantly, what you can do to fix them. This isn't about quick fixes or band-aid solutions. It's about understanding your body's unique needs and how to bring it back to harmony. Ready to discover the secrets your body has been trying to tell you? Let's dive in. You wake up tired, no matter how much sleep you get. Even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain. This isn't just everyday stress, it's a sign your hormones are out of sync. Cortisol, your body's stress hormone, may be spiking and crashing, leaving you drained. At the same time, your thyroid might be underperforming, slowing your metabolism and making everything feel harder. The fix isn't more coffee or energy drinks. Instead, focus on nourishing your adrenal glands with whole foods rich in B vitamins and magnesium. Add calming practices like deep breathing or meditation to your daily routine. Prioritizing rest, not just sleep, is key. Imagine waking up feeling naturally energized and ready to tackle the day. It's not a dream, it's what hormone balance can deliver. No matter how much you exercise or how healthy you eat, the scale refuses to move. It's not just about calories in versus calories out. Your hormones play a pivotal role in weight regulation. Insulin resistance, for example, can cause your body to store fat rather than burn it, especially around your midsection. Elevated cortisol levels can also lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy comfort foods. No matter how much you exercise or how healthy you eat, the scale refuses to move. It's not just about calories in versus calories out. Your hormones play a pivotal role in weight regulation. Insulin resistance, for example, can cause your body to store fat rather than burn it, especially around your midsection. Elevated cortisol levels can also lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy comfort foods. Do you feel like your emotions are running wild? One moment you're happy, and the next, you're overwhelmed by sadness or irritability. These mood swings could be a sign of fluctuating hormones like estrogen, progesterone, or serotonin levels. Such imbalances can often worsen around menstruation, menopause, or during periods of high stress. To regain emotional balance, ensure you're getting enough omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which are essential for brain health. Regular exercise can also stabilize mood by releasing endorphins. Don't underestimate the power of talking to a trusted friend or counselor. Remember, mood swings are not your personality, they're your body's cry for help. Your menstrual cycle says a lot about your hormonal health. Irregular periods, heavy bleeding, or intense cramps can be signs of underlying hormonal imbalances such as polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) or endometriosis. These conditions often go undiagnosed for years, leaving women frustrated and without answers. To support your cycle, focus on anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, and nuts. Herbal teas like chamomile or ginger can also ease discomfort. If irregularities persist, consult a healthcare provider to explore options like hormone testing or treatment plans tailored to your needs. Do you find it hard to fall asleep or stay asleep through the night? Hormones like melatonin and cortisol are crucial for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. An imbalance in these hormones can leave you tossing and turning, feeling unrested even after hours in bed. To improve your sleep, create a calming nighttime routine. Avoid screens an hour before bed and consider supplements like magnesium or melatonin if recommended by a healthcare provider. Herbal teas like valerian root or lavender can also promote relaxation. Restful sleep is within reach when your hormones are in balance. Your gut is often referred to as your second brain, and hormonal imbalances can wreak havoc on your digestion. Issues like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea may stem from fluctuations in hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which influence gut motility and the microbiome. To support your gut health, incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables into your diet. Fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, and fruits can also promote regular digestion. Reducing stress through mindfulness practices can further enhance your gut's resilience. A happy gut is a sign of balanced hormones. Hair loss can be distressing, especially when it seems sudden or excessive. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and thyroid hormones play significant roles in hair growth and retention. Imbalances in these hormones can weaken hair follicles, leading to thinning or shedding. To strengthen your hair, prioritize a diet rich in biotin, zinc, and iron. Avoid harsh hair treatments and opt for gentle, nourishing shampoos. If hair loss persists, consult a healthcare provider to rule out conditions like hypothyroidism or androgenetic alopecia. A sudden drop in sexual desire can be linked to hormonal changes. Testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone are key players in regulating libido and sexual function. Imbalances can result in decreased desire, discomfort during intimacy, or difficulty achieving arousal. To support sexual health, focus on open communication with your partner and consider lifestyle changes like reducing stress to exercising regularly. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as dark chocolate and berries, can also enhance blood flow and support hormone production. Don't hesitate to seek medical advice for persistent issues. Persistent acne, dryness, or other skin problems might not just be surface deep. They can be signs of hormonal imbalances. Androgens, such as testosterone, can overstimulate oil glands, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Similarly, estrogen and progesterone imbalances may result in dull or irritated skin. To support healthy skin, hydrate adequately and consume a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Topical treatments like salicylic acid can address acne, but targeting the root hormonal causes often requires lifestyle adjustments and professional guidance. Clear skin reflects balanced internal health. Do you often find yourself craving sugar, salty snacks, or comfort foods? These cravings may indicate imbalances in hunger-regulating hormones like leptin, ghrelin, or insulin. When hormones are out of sync, they can disrupt your ability to distinguish between true hunger and emotional eating. To curb cravings, focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense meals that keep you full longer. Include sources of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in every meal. Mindful eating practices, such as slowing down and savoring your food, can also help reset your hunger cues. Hormonal balance transforms eating from a struggle into nourishment.